Today we have a fun family favorite. It is a bolognese and pasta dish, and this one is full of veggies, sure to make the family not even notice it. All right, guys, so we have our lean ground beef here. It's ready to go. We have our minced garlic. We have extra virgin olive oil, marinara, fire roasted diced tomatoes. We have our zucchini washed, diced. We have our carrots washed, diced, celery, and also our onion in this bowl. We have our spinach washed, ready to go. We have our parsley, crushed red pepper flakes, yum, black pepper, some kosher salt. We have a brown rice and lentil pasta, delicious, healthy, and we have a little block here of Parmesan. So the water is boiling, so we are going to pop that open and get our pasta in. All right, we're gonna put our olive oil in, about a tablespoon. Pan's nice and hot. We want to get our veggies right in. So go ahead and just get that all around in the pan. And then get your veggies in. So we're going to start with our onions, our celery, and our carrot. And we're going to get a nice brown on these guys. And our zucchini. Look at those beautiful colors. All right, we're going to do a nice pinch of some kosher salt, and we will do about a teaspoon of garlic. We're going to add the diced tomatoes. We're going to add the tomato sauce. I use about a half of a jar. And then we're going to go into our seasoning. So you have your parsley. Go ahead and add about a tablespoon of parsley. Black pepper, about half a tablespoon, teaspoon actually. And then you have your red pepper flakes. About a teaspoon. Now we're going to add the spinach. Get all that goodness in there. Let it wilt down. Sauce ready. We're gonna get a little brown on this. check off about 6 to 10 minutes, and then we will mix them together. Brown on the one side. You're looking for it. See that? Delicious. And then let this side brown, and then you'll chunk it up a little bit smaller. Yeah. Flip it. Once both sides are browned, you're going to go ahead and chop it up really fine for a bolognese. Cannot wait. You're going to add your sauce.